Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and most remote continent on Earth. Nearly 98% of it is covered by ice, some of it more than 4 kilometers thick. Beneath that ice lies a hidden world, mountains, rivers, and over 400 subglacial lakes that have never seen sunlight. Humans have explored less of Antarctica than the surface of the moon. The extreme cold, constant winds, and months of darkness make large parts of the continent nearly impossible to reach. Yet, despite these conditions, scientists have discovered signs of life surviving in places once thought to be completely uninhabitable. One of the most mysterious discoveries lies buried deep beneath the ice, a massive lake sealed off from the rest of the world for millions of years. No light, no air, no contact with the surface. Lake Vostok, one of the most mysterious places on Earth, is a massive body of water. It stretches nearly 250 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide, making it comparable in size to Lake Ontario. Yet unlike any lake we know, it sits buried beneath 2.5 miles of solid ice, completely cut off from sunlight and air. Temperatures here drop below -3 degrees Celsius. The pressure is more than 350 times what we feel at sea level. And still, the water remains liquid, warmed by geothermal heat rising from deep within the Earth. This lake became sealed during Antarctica's long ice age. As glaciers thickened over millions of years, they slowly trapped the lake beneath an unbreakable ice sheet. Since then, Lake Vostok has existed in total isolation, evolving on its own, untouched by the outside world. For scientists, this isolation is both fascinating and unsettling. What could survive in complete darkness, extreme cold, and crushing pressure for millions of years? In 2012, researchers finally drilled through the ice and reached the lake. What they found was astonishing. Samples revealed the presence of microbial life, microscopic organisms surviving in conditions once thought impossible. But these discoveries only deepened the mystery. How do these organisms survive with so few nutrients? Could there be unknown species adapted to this extreme environment? And if life can survive here, could it exist beneath the icy oceans of distant moons like Europa or Enceladus? Lake Vostok is more than a frozen lake. It is a natural time capsule, preserving clues about Earth's ancient climate and the limits of life itself. Hidden beneath miles of ice, it reminds us of something profound. Even on our own planet, there are still worlds left unexplored. Lake Vostok reminds us that even today, Earth holds mysteries as deep and unknown as space itself. And sometimes, looking beneath our own feet may be just as important as looking toward the stars. But the biggest questions are still unanswered. What other forms of life could be hiding in those dark waters? What secrets about Earth's ancient climate are still locked beneath the ice? And could studying this lake change how we understand Antarctica, or even where life might exist beyond our planet? Write your thoughts in the comments below, and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content that talks about the world.